In this video, I'll be showing you how you can have a multiple account in Monopoly Go. Well, this step is really simple. As you can see, I'm already inside my Monopoly Go account and this is my first account. So there are two things that you will be needing in this process. First is your Facebook application and the second one is of course the Monopoly Go account. So make sure that you already have a secondary account for this process, since this secondary account is the account that we will be switching with into our Monopoly Go. And when you head to your Facebook account, I will prove it to you that this is the account that is currently logged into my Monopoly Go. As you can see, the name is Gu, and then let's go back to our Monopoly Go. Now let's click this three-lined icon in the top right corner and check if it's the account that is currently logged in, and as you can see, it is. So let's head back to our home screen since we want to switch or we want to use the other account in order to complete the multiple account process. So click on Monopoly Go and then click the app info. Now let's clear the data of it. Now clear all data and go to your Facebook account and then log into another account. Click the logout button and click the logout here. And then click the log into another account. Now sign in the other account in your Monopoly Go. Make sure that this Facebook account is connected to your Monopoly Go. And once done, you just need to head to your Monopoly Go and then log in or connect the other or the secondary account to use the multiple feature of Monopoly Go. And that's it. That's how you can perform a multiple accounts on Monopoly Go, and thank you for listening.